Hello, friends. Welcome to your favorite channel where you learn something in every video. Nas tukuenderera mberi Excel. But before taenderera mberi, I would want to encourage you. Kana musati maona video yekutanga, please find the link below to the first video where we learn about the basics or the introduction to Excel. Today we are going to start inserting our data to our Excel sheet. Let's get started. Okay, sheet redu toda kurinema to grade 1 since we are going to insert the student records for grade 1s. What the kind of records do we want from our grade 1s? We want the first name, first name, surname, class, fees paid, gender. Okay, now we are going to populate each and every column accordingly. First name, let's have the first name for our first student. Chichamuchi Amos. Amos Chiri Mumu Sasa. Amos Chiri Musasa is in grade 1, yellow. He paid fees of 200 and he is male. Let's populate the second one. We are going to call him Margaret. Margaret who? Margaret Moyo. Margaret Moyo. She is grade 1, blue. She paid fees of 150 and she is female. Okay, just give me a second so I can populate our Excel with more data. Now that list redurakura run a meaningful data, we just want to make this data beautiful, readable, and what we can do with this data. First, we have got our headings. Our headings, font we want to change so that munhu achingoona anobva atonoti this is the headings. So toita sei pamaheadings, we can select one, we bold it, we italize it, we can as well increase font kuti ringe ichionekawo, but we are only changing for first heading. What about the other headings? Let me do this. We select, we format, paint, and then we brush it through kwatoda kuti sezvifanani. Look, now zvafanana. Or we're going to say we select everything, we bold everything, we italize, we increase font to 14. Maona, different ways of killing a cat. Now look, this first name, the first heading, haisi kugona kuverengeka zvakakwana. Even the second heading haisi kuverengeka zvakakwana. Even the surname chiri mumusasa haisi kuoneka zvakakwana. Paida moyo haisi kuoneka zvakakwana. Saka tinoita sei kuti increase font yedu inge yakafanana? mamwedzi edu ange achioneka zvakanaka. Tikasvika panapa, look, this is the column A. So tinoenda between patoda kunowedzera pacho, handiti mona pabuda those two arrows, one pointing to the left, the other one pointing to the right. Now we drag a little bit to the right until all our names are kunyatsooneka in a column. But there's another way of doing it also. We just, let's say Excel redu rakakura up to Z here, and here is up to I don't know, and all other names haana kunyorwa zviri kuverengeka, hazvisi kuoneka because this cell redu riri kuita kunge diki. Tinoita sei kuti sezvifambirane zvakanaka ka1? We come here at the corner, we select all, and then we come either here or here or anywhere within the data, and then we double click. Look how beautiful it is. Everything now zvakuoneka, every surname yakuoneka, every heading yakuoneka zvakanaka. Also, we can as well underline our headings. Is still allowed. We can do whatever we want, adjust our font, reduce, change color. We can even fill with color the heading just to make it look beautiful or different with the other rows. Let me just change the font color. If you want to change the font color, we come here, we change it to whatever color we want. Let me just choose this blue. We can just fill it. Look how beautiful it is now. But then there's another thing that I want you to do. Fees paid is we assume fees paid is money, is in currency. But look, munhu kana asina kuona this line, akafunga kuti fees paid, is it 200 cows, 150 cows? So we want to format this to be current so that tichingovhura record redu totoziva kuti iyi imari yakabhadharwa. So how do we do it? We select the data we want to format, and then we come here. You can right click here and click format cell, and then you click currency. We choose the currency, the symbol we want. Let me just use the USD here, and then how many places after a comma, 2 decimal places. Or we can just come here, the shortcut yatambo yatakadzidza on the previous video. Come here, you just choose currency. Look how beautiful it is. Now we know the fees paid is in USD dollars, 200 USD, 150 USD. Okay, there's other thing that we can also do to our data. Amosi, Margaret, Pretty, Anna. These students, you can put them in alphabetical order for ease accessible. That muda kuona kuti mwana anonzi gift akabhadhara here, then it will be so difficult kutsvaga gift in data rakasangana kudai. But when it's in alphabetical order, it will be easy. So we want to sort our data in alphabetical order so that it's not teacher zvakanaka. Then I select my data. I come here, there is a shortcut, or I just go to data and then I sort A to Z. Look, now Amos, Anna, Ben, Kate, it's now easy for me to look for gift. I know gift is after Farai. I can also sort data rangu according to those who paid fees in full or in any way that I want. I just want to sort according to those who paid more fees. So I come and sort Z to A. C to A, that is the smallest to the to largest. Okay, okay. I didn't do it right. Let me just select the column because it is sorted using the first name. I want it to sort using the fees paid. So I come expand the selection, which means it's going to sort everything but using the fees paid column. Then I click sort. So you see, and now I know Anna paid more fees, followed by Amos, and akabhadhara mari shoma shoma ndiEmma. Okay, we are learning, I can see. Let's also move on to another trick we can do to our data. I want to group, I want to filter this data. I want to make filters. How do we filter our data? On our home page, we can still find filter, or we can come to data and then you find filter and then you click this filter. Turn to my drop down menus. These drop down menus, it tells us that we can filter according to first name, surname, class, if he is paid or gender. Let me just filter by class. I want only vana vari mu1 blue. I want only vana vari mu grade 1 blue. I filter, then I see grade 1 blue has got 5 kids. Now I want to see how many we have in grade 1 green. Grade 1 green in a vana 4. Now I want to know how many we have in grade 1 yellow. Grade 1 yellow in a vana 4 as well. I can select everything so that I see my whole list. I can also filter according to gender. I only want to know how many. Oh, you see, there's another data. This that is a female. Okay, I want to see only female students. Female students. These are only female students. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many are male? Now I want only male students. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to show you another trick. Let's say you're working with a very large Excel sheet or a very big data. We select, we want to count. We select, and then at this right corner, you see the count 13, meaning to say this list has got 13 students. So amongst the 13 students, how many are female? How many are female? You see, only 6. How many are male? You see, 7. So by just selecting a column, then you'll be able to have your count. Let's say you've got 1,000 students, you still see the 1,000 students here. And even if you filter, you only remain with the data you want. We can also put this data in borders or in a table format. You come here home and then you put borders and you go pakanzi all borders panapa data rako rese rava mumaborders. Maybe you want this class kuti ive yakanyorwa nepakati nepakati, not to the right alignment, left alignment, but we want the middle alignment. So you just come and click center here, data redu rava pakati nepakati, or you want the whole data to be on the center alignment. You just select. Oh, beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, my friends, thank you so much for watching this video. This is just the beginning of inserting data, playing with the data, editing data, styling our data. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, colleagues, and relatives so that they also learn something. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Bye.